What is going on YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today I'm excited to bring you a video on this company. There is no question, and that company I'm going to be talking about is Ascend Engineering. And many of you guys saw a video the other day on Fox Business. I did an actual video how it was tied and connected to Valqari and to AgEagle. Well, the thing is the whole entire purpose of that video was to the fact that Ascend Engineering was partnering with Valqari. Both companies are based out of Chicago, and really I am 100% excited to provide you this video. There's no question. There's a bright future for Ascend Engineering, and they are led by an absolute phenomenal CEO, no question. So if you're interested in this company, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. Before we dive into Ascend and the Valqari partnership, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into the video. Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, the drone sector is becoming very popular. I've talked about it multiple times. I've told you guys to strap in, get your seatbelts snug, and get ready to hold on because this rocket is about to take off, or maybe the drone's about to take off. I'm excited to provide you this video. There is no question. And I keep saying that because I really am. You know, as more and more drone companies start to enter into the picture, it becomes a lot more fun to provide videos. And this one is another perfect example of a drone company that is making some monster moves. They partnered with, in-city connection with Valqari. Obviously Valqari puts out some amazing receptacles. And they are partnered with a 2-year contract with the likes of AgEagle. AgEagle will be manufacturing those receptacles, and it's amazing to see. But Valqari has been going out and really been getting some key partnerships, and this is yet another one, Ascend Engineering. So what we're going to do is we're going to dive in, we're going to talk about Ascend Engineering, and we're going to talk about their CEO. Andrew, I appreciate you, my friend. I really do. The other day, Andrew retweeted my video and really kind of put me out there. I appreciate you. So we're going to dive in, talk about Andrew, and I'm just excited to provide you a ton of information on this company. So let's just go ahead and dive in. What has Ascend Engineering accomplished to this point? What are they involved with? And so obviously they are doing a lot revolving around drones. And so it says we provide drone software and hardware engineering services for our clients. So some of the things they've previously accomplished. Previous software builds include 4G LTE communication and networking between an onboard computer atop a drone with back-end servers controlling movement, cloud-hosted ATC, so air traffic control for drone fleet management, autonomous precision landing via machine learning image recognition, and computer image processing. Really, right there, it kind of makes sense why they tied in and partnered with the likes of Valqari, since Valqari does the receptacle. Real-time height sensing of drone location via sensor installation, drone health and safety logging, very important, and then integration of functioning gimbal and camera of drone, and then waypoint mission communication to the drone via ATC. Now, obviously, they've done a lot also. I mean, this is an engineering company, so there's a lot going into this drone. And so, again, addition to fluency in MAVROS, MAV SDK, and MAV Link, real-world environment testing, which we saw actually being conducted and the testing being done, on that Fox Business News interview. And, obviously their drone made an appearance. It actually did a landing, delivered a package to Valqari's receptacle, was phenomenal. And so they have that. Real-time video LTE transmission, image processing and recognition, thermal imaging, 4G networking, sensor integration, and engineering. Now, I wonder if it will be taken to the next step with 5G. Obviously, we understand that Valqari is very into 5G with it being implemented into their receptacles. So I'm wondering if now they're going to be able to start taking their stuff and their products to the next level of 5G. So again, I really want to hit on this because I hit on this every time I do a drone video. And it's extremely important, and that is going to be safety revolving around drones. every video I've done, at some point we've entered into an article or at somewhere where they talk about safety. And yet again, here we go. So safety and compliance. We work thoroughly and comply in tandem with the Federal Aviation Administration, the FAA. Guidance to demonstrate knowledge of regulations, operating requirements, and procedures for safe drone flying, and have achieved all necessary requirements to operate and test under the FAA's Small UAS Rule Part 107. And you guys know I did an interview, obviously, with Zing CEO Ian Anais, and we really dove in and talked about the Part 107. So this is another company that likes to fall under the Part 107. Maybe eventually they'll be dealing with and doing the 135, but as for right now, they're doing the testing and really the operating under the 107. So continuing on, an emerging market. Made clear by COVID-19 pandemic, contactless, expedited, and energy-efficient drone-focused software engineering is not only essential, but now a commonplace. I like to hear that. Maintaining the health and well-being of logistic mapping and delivering networks have unrealized potential to better serve companies, healthcare professionals, and general public unlike ever before. So continuing on, Ascend offers to build, produce, and license our software and engineering service to meet these challenging demands while ushering in the emerging drone software market. So I really like to see that. I like to see another company that is offering all of those opportunities. And really, it's amazing to see more and more drone companies becoming a lot more prevalent, and you're starting to see them become more relevant as well. You know, obviously, the pandemic was running rampant. We talked about it, we understand it, and that's really what could have potentially pushed this drone market quicker to really getting to success. And the reason I say that is because we're looking for a lot of contactless deliveries. You're looking for a lot of ways to really, do things in a manner that is safe when it's regarding the pandemic. I've seen drones that are spraying disinfectant, doing a lot of that aspect and doing some pretty cool things when it comes to really taking health to the next step. Now it's time, we're going to dive right in. And, Ascend Engineering was heavily involved with the Fox Business News and really the interview that was conducted. So we're going to talk about that. Recently, we tested our latest Ascend Engineering drone system on Valqari's drone delivery station on live TV with Fox Business with Grady Trimble on Varney & Co., further showcasing the limitless potential of the emerging drone market. So you guys are going to see that video playing right now, and really I talked about that into great detail in my other video when I was regarding it to Valqari and AgEagle, because obviously AgEagle popped on Friday in a massive upward direction, and it's just another way for companies to start getting recognition. Ascend Engineering, the drone delivered the package, and Grady obviously walks up, the box opens, and there is Ascend Engineering's box that they delivered from their drone. It's amazing to see, and I think that it just doesn't get focused on enough, and that's why I was excited to see it actually on live TV and a news source like Fox Business. I mean, a lot of people watch it, a lot of people are interested in it because of the stocks, the stocks and everything that are going on. So it was really cool to see Ascend Engineering delivering a package to a Valqari receptacle on live TV. I'm excited to provide this next piece, and it's going to be on Andrew Wilkins and it's going to be on Zachary Lowell, both the co-founders of this company. And, I'm excited to provide the information for these guys. I mean, this is what is exciting, to see young, innovative people really collaborating together, creating something that is going to be so beneficial to so many different people into the future. And so that's why I enjoy providing videos like this. So let's swing on over here. A sky-high vision. In 2019, Andrew Wilkins and Zachary Lowell began to think about the future of engineering. They thought about their shared passion for drones and how aeronautical-based engineering could help shape a better future. Based on their intuition, Andrew and Zachary both began extensive research on ever-growing amount of creative ways drone technologies were being utilized. What they discovered was congruent with major market analysis, research, and forecasting. It became obvious a new market for drone software solutions was slowly emerging. And so that's why Ascend Engineering was created. It says it right there. Present day, we're observing how this market is no longer inching towards fruition, it's marching. And the market analysis across the board are in agreement. And I could not agree more. I think that there is no question that this sector now is even being pushed quicker, like I said, because of the pandemic. And these guys have got it going in the right direction. They made a massive partnership in the likes of Valqari, and I'm sure the company is only going to have that much more of a bright future. A lot more partnerships are going to come with this company, and it's just really cool to see. So once again, Andrew, I really appreciate you for resharing my video and really telling people to subscribe to the channel. There's no question that I'm going to continue to provide not only on this sector, but your company and the other companies that are out there. It's exciting for me to do this. So once again, I appreciate you so much. Thank you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video on Ascend Engineering, and I can assure you that this will not be the last video on this company, because I'm sure they will continue to make headlines. They will continue to do amazing things in the future. I do want to remind you guys, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only. And that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoyed the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.